Jesus. Good luck. There's nothing burning inside there. The house is okay, the margarine is okay. Nothing is burning, eh? Nothing is burning there. What is burning inside there? Nothing.
Uncle, April Fool. Thanks for watching that short comedy video. Please subscribe, like and share. Share with your friends. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Like and share with your friends. Don't be stingy.